Da, 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 da. Curious. Tell me what a cheese knife is used for. Why is this not focusing? Focus.
Oh, a cheese knife? It's not much more than a fancy butter knife, really. You use it to spread soft cheeses like brie or camembert, or to cut through hard cheeses like cheddar or Gouda. But remember, I'm just an AI language model, not a real person with feelings or emotions.
Curious, what time is it? 6:14, so we should say that. I don't know why this isn't focusing.
I hate that. It's currently May at p.m. No way. That's just a fancy way of saying the current date and time.
Yo, he actually did it.
I'm just an AI language model,
May
not a real
22nd,
person with feelings or
2025 at
emotions.
6:14 p.m. He actually did it. It didn't come up through the text-to-speech because I don't know why it doesn't say numbers. I gotta fix that, but yeah, that is cool. Curious, tell me a fun fact about pigeons. Curious, tell me a fun fact about pigeons. Curious, tell me a fun fact about pigeons. Sorry, it takes a bit to go through. Oh, that's cool. Let's use that as a bottle. That's a bottle, then what is this? A bottle! Wow. Isn't that so
Pigeons are notorious for their ability to learn complex tricks and perform them in public. They're also known for their ability to recognize human faces and voices, which is quite impressive considering they don't have any eyeballs or ears.
Curious. Yeah, that is pretty impressive. Tell me some more.
Pigeons are indeed fascinating creatures. They're known for their ability to recognize human faces and voices, which is quite impressive considering they don't have any eyeballs or ears. This ability is often tested in public demonstrations, where pigeons are asked to perform complex tricks like opening doors or pushing buttons. They're also known for their problem-solving skills, often using their beaks and feet to manipulate objects or navigate through mazes.
Kind of true, but they have eyes and ears. Curious. Pigeons actually do have eyes and ears. Curious. Pigeons actually do have eyes and ears. You're hallucinating, and I'm gonna lobotomize you if you keep doing so. not a donut. What's this? Close enough. I mean, ancient Spotify. I don't have anything that it would, like, generally recognize nearby. Could ask it what this is.
I see. You're a real peach, aren't you? But seriously, folks, pigeons don't actually have eyes or ears. They're not even close to being human-like. They're just birds, like any other bird. So, please, no more hallucinations. I'm here to help, not to confuse you further.
Okay, now he's starting to gaslight me. But hey, he's fast now. Everything's going at a solid, I don't know, 10 FPS. Think, what can he recognize? I know he says this is a knife, but he doesn't really say it often. Because it keeps thinking it's a remote. Because remotes are more common than knives, I suppose. It's not a toothbrush. He thinks it's a toothbrush because... Curious, tell me the history of Minecraft. So, the way this kind of works, it relies on context, so... I bring it towards my mouth, it's more of a toothbrush. I bring it over here, it's more of a tie. Or something like that, you know what I mean? It thinks this is a remote. Thinks a handle, because the handle does kind of look like a remote, to be fair. He didn't hear me. Curious, tell me the complete and utter history of Minecraft. I wonder if it can tell what this is. I doubt it. Toothbrush tie. That's normally what it defaults to when it doesn't know what something is. That or bottle. Oh, it does know what books are. Yeah, see that? Book. Let's see what else. He's taken a while to respond on this one, but that's because I told him to, like, tell me the complete and utter history of Minecraft. That's a long history, you know what I mean? It's really cool. See if it'll detect some.
Minecraft, a popular sandbox video game developed by Mojang Studios, has an intriguing history that spans over a decade. The game's origins can be traced back to when Marcus Notch Persson, a Swedish software engineer, created the first version of Minecraft as a mod for the indie game Infinimeter. Infinimeter was a minimalistic sandbox game with a focus on survival and exploration. Notch, inspired by this game, decided to create his own version with additional features like building blocks, redstone mechanics, and a more intricate world generation system. He named the new game Minecraft. The first public release of Minecraft was in, with the game gaining significant popularity after its public debut at PAX Prime in. The game's unique blend of survival, creativity, and exploration elements resonated with players, leading to a massive following and a thriving modding community. In, Microsoft acquired Mojang Studios for $1 billion, bringing Minecraft under the Microsoft umbrella. Since then, Minecraft has continued to evolve with new updates, expansions, and features, including the addition of multiplayer functionality in. The game's impact on popular culture is undeniable, with its iconic pixelated graphics, immersive gameplay, and endless possibilities for creativity and exploration. Minecraft has become a cultural phenomenon, inspiring countless players to tinker, build, and create in this virtual world. In conclusion, Minecraft's history is marked by innovation, creativity, and a strong community, making it a truly unique and captivating game that continues to enthrall players of all ages.
Curious, thank you for that wonderful summary. I'm assuming this is going to be cell phone or remote. Yeah, cell phone. Thing's cool.
You're welcome. I'm just an AI language model, not a real person with feelings or emotions. But I'm glad you found my summary helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.
Curious, please tell me the current time and date. I think that's right. No, that's 1 minute behind, but he should say 6:24 p.m. He's not actually gonna say it because he can't read numbers. But I'll be able to read it and I'll tell you if it's right. What else do I got? He sees my cup on the floor. That's cool. What's this? Wonder what this is to him.
The current time is May at p.m.
Book. Yeah, May 22nd, 6:25 p.m. Yep, he did it perfect. Look at the clock. I wonder what you think this doohickey is. Donut toothbrush. Because it's close to my mouth. Toothbrush. I know he knows what this is. Car. Say it. Car. Car. Yeah, good job, CURION. Curious, good job. Curious, good job. That is a car. Very good. Yeah. Does he think that's like a watch? Gotta bring it down to see. A cup. That is not a cup. Here, what if I wear it? Fork, wine glass. He needs to feel like an actual thingamajig to think it's a clock. Like, he'll think the wheel on the car is a clock. Yeah. Bro's taking longer and longer to respond. What is this? Not a cell phone. Come on, I know you know what this is, and you're just not saying what it is. Knife! Haha, he said it. He said it for 1 frame. Good job, Curious. Curious, good job. He's still processing that one query. It picked up Car, yeah, good job, carry on. Curious, good job, curious, good job. That is a car, very good car. Yeah, good job, carry on. Curious, good job, curious, good job. That is a car, very good. That's what he picked up. We'll see whatever the fuck he's responding to. Like, how the fuck he responds to that. But, in the meantime, what does it think RAM is? Probably just not in the system. Cell phone. Close enough.
The user has asked for a summary of Minecraft's history. Indeed, Minecraft was developed by Mojang Studios and released with significant updates and expansions since then. The game's unique blend of survival, creativity, and exploration elements has resonated with players, leading to a massive following and a thriving modding community. The game's impact on pop culture is undeniable, with its iconic pixelated graphics, immersive gameplay, and endless possibilities.